Welcome to my channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2026 Mazda CX-5, a vehicle that perfectly blends bold design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. If you thought the CX-5 couldn't get any better, think again. Mazda has taken things to the next level, and we're here to show you why this SUV is turning heads everywhere. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is its striking exterior design. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy has evolved, giving the CX-5 a more futuristic and sophisticated look. The sleek, flowing lines create an aerodynamic silhouette that's both elegant and aggressive. At the rear, the continuous LED tail lights stretch seamlessly across the back, giving the car a modern, high-tech vibe. The bold CX-5 badge sits proudly beneath the iconic Mazda logo, while the sculpted rear bumper and subtle roof spoiler add a sporty edge. With its wide stance, sharp contours, and refined detailing, the CX-5 looks powerful and graceful from every angle. Step inside, and the interior feels like a leap into the future. The cabin is designed with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and a clean, minimalist layout that exudes sophistication. The wide-opening doors reveal plush seating with available leather upholstery, offering both comfort and style. Mazda has focused on driver-centric ergonomics, ensuring that every control is within easy reach. The dashboard is dominated by a sleek, curved digital display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. This higher-resolution screen offers crisp graphics, intuitive controls, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected without the clutter of cables. Comfort and space are key highlights of the 2026 CX-5. The spacious interior offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making long drives a pleasure. The rear seats are designed for maximum comfort, with available heating options and a reclining feature. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the open and airy feel. When it comes to cargo space, the CX-5 doesn't disappoint. The flexible rear seat configuration allows for ample storage, making it perfect for road trips, family adventures, or daily errands. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 offers a range of powertrain options to suit every driving style. You can expect Mazda's latest Sky Active engines, designed to deliver an ideal balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking eco-friendly options, hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants are available, offering impressive fuel economy without compromising performance. The CX-5's responsive handling, precise steering, and smooth ride quality make it a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open highway. The advanced all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, giving you confidence in all driving conditions. Safety is a top priority for Mazda, and the 2026 CX-5 comes equipped with the latest Active Sense safety features. This comprehensive suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. New for 2026 is Mazda's semi-autonomous driving technology, designed to assist with steering, acceleration, and braking on highways. These advanced features work together to enhance driver awareness and reduce the risk of accidents, providing peace of mind for you and your passengers. Driving the 2026 CX-5 is an experience like no other. The refined suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, while the precise steering and responsive throttle make every drive engaging. The cabin remains quiet even at high speeds, thanks to improved sound insulation, allowing you to enjoy conversations or your favorite music without distraction. Whether you're cruising along the coast, exploring mountain roads, or handling your daily commute, the CX-5 delivers a smooth, confident, and exhilarating ride. In conclusion, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is more than just an SUV. It's a symbol of Mazda's commitment to excellence. With its bold design, luxurious interior, cutting-edge technology, and dynamic performance, it sets a new standard in the compact SUV segment. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or someone who values comfort and style, the CX-5 has something to offer everyone. Thanks for watching Car AutoZone. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Mazda CX-5, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.